The tractor. I want it clean, Isabella. We're on our second stop of the day, and today we're back at the Peoria Friendship House. We brought the big tractor because last time we were here I filled in some holes that were in the volleyball court, the sand holes. Today I'm going to work up that sand just lightly, just to get the grass and stuff that's growing there and make it look like a court. I think we're also going to do some trimming and some additional cleaning up of some of the limbs and stuff to really make this look nice. And we may come back tomorrow to do some mowing. So stay tuned. And again, like us on Facebook, like us on YouTube, and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Back this vine so that it's not impeding on the basketball court, so when kids are playing they don't have the tree in the way. So should come off pretty easy with the steel edge trimmer. Don't try this at home.